Let me break this shit down for you, right? Because somewhere along the line, you're not getting the message. You are trying to tell me you would rather go and work for somebody else than working for yourself. You are trying to tell me that you like to go to your 9 to 5. You are trying to tell me that you enjoy when your boss cucks on you. Are you trying to tell me that you think there is no other options or another way in life to make money? People, this is why I do what I do. This is why you see me every day coming onto this app, because I have a solution to that problem of yours. And it's called digital marketing, my people. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need to have a degree. You don't need to have a following. You don't need to recruit people personally. You don't need to go worry friends and family. All you need to do is be coachable and consistent. And I'm sure having to spend a little bit of money to purchase this digital marketing course, where you are investing in yourself, you are becoming your own boss. I don't think that should be a problem, because it's not a problem for you to wake up and go to work every day. So it shouldn't be a problem for you to invest some money in yourself, so that you don't have to go through all of that, and that you can reap the benefits sitting from the comfort of your house, from your home, working from your phone, all of that perks that comes with digital marketing. So people, drop me a comment. Let me send you more information about this so that you can make an informed decision today.